I call it the solar system. It's a photovoltaic system. The solar system is the stars and the planets and all that stuff. So, my name is John Schultz. I'm a retired school teacher, and I'm very happy to be retired. Very busy, very involved with my community. We're here on the side of Banner Mountain. It's a 5-acre piece, heavily forested. I chose to put in about 4.5 to 5 kilowatts worth of panels. How did I get to the point where I knew I wanted solar panels? Well, I was a science teacher. I have a good idea of how solar energy can be transformed into electrical energy. And I was really fascinated with the development of the technology. Well, it's going to cost you so much money. I have the idea, though, that it's going to save me money in the long run. And I definitely like the idea of being a generator. This is essentially free power, and if I can tap into it, more's the better. I'm letting people know that this is a possibility, this is important, you can do it too. And then on the personal level, I'm really happy that I can do this. So people say, how's your solar system working? It's working great.